I'll show you how you can monetize your Instagram account. From your Instagram account, first off, you want to go to professional dashboard. On here, let's check first off. You can see if I scroll down and I go ahead and go to partnership ads and I go to active ads, you can see right now there are no active ads. So let's fix that. Let's tap on pack once more. Click on the gear icon on the top right. On here, you want to go to monetization status. Right now you can see I am able to monetize. So right now I have branded content available, and there's also partner monetization policies that I have to review as well. Tap on this. On here right now you can see there are a couple of reviews that we need to do. In here you can tap on request a review, and then after all of that is done, if you are past the review, you will get monetization. But of course, you do need a certain view on your page to be able to do this. So just tap on request a review. There are a couple of other policies that you can take a look here as well. But you can see right now, branded content, I'm able to monetize as easy as that.